Live from Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, it's the Market Update Educated Guessing Show with your wild trading host, PK. Well, here we are, you guys. Let's do it. That crazy Sammy Schwartz, look what he got me to do. Look what Sammy got me to do. He convinced me to go out there and play a song. It's been 25 years, you guys. So I'm going to give it a whirl. I'm going to give it my best shot. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to go for it. Thank you, Sammy. You guys ready? Let's try it. 2, 3, 4. Here we go, you guys. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to arrive. Blackbird, fly. Blackbird, fly into the night of the dark black night. Well, that's what happens when you're 62 and an old goat and try to relive the past. Anyway, that was Blackbird. One of the first songs I learned how to play when I was about 14 years old. And anyway, let's get right to the show, you guys. Get rid of the guitar. Get rid of the pillow. Okay, here we are. Oh man, that wasn't so easy. Again, thank you, Sammy Schwartz, for that introduction. I better take a hit of a cigarette because after that, geez. Oh, my microphone. Put this over here too. Anyway, so let's just jump right into it, you guys. What happened this past week? Another wild and crazy week, as always in the trading. And let's see, let's take a look at the educated guesses. First of all, last week I said gold and silver was going to go lower. And boy, I was wrong. Get that one wrong. PK got that one wrong. The gold and silver rallied, so this you can call that a loser. But my call for this next week, the gold I'm out. Nothing on the gold, but I like the silver. The silver's a sell. So short the silver. I think the silver's going down. Let's take a look here. What's next? Let's see the Bitcoin. This one last week I said higher. And look, that Bitcoin just keeps marching right on up. I see when the now it's September futures around 48,450. I said it'd go higher. You know what? And it went higher. But you know what? This week I have no call on it. Up here, I'm not quite so sure if we're going to go up 3,000 or 4,000 or down 3,000 or 4,000. So I'm no call on the Bitcoin. Let's talk about. Let's see what's next. Let's go to. You know what? I'm going to go to, let's see here. Let's see. Yeah. This is called what happened with the stock market. It's a little bit correlated here with some of these things. I called for the ES and the NQ to be lower. And again, PK got that one wrong. You know, I really tried to pick a top, but I thought I saw something. But you see, just really didn't break. And again, I don't have a call here. I'm going to stay off this one. I'm not sure. Tired of it. I gave it a couple of weeks. Let's see what new highs. Again, it doesn't look like an uptrend, but the bottom line is that this market just keeps going up. And maybe it can turn into a whole new uptrend, but I see such a pattern. It just, something doesn't look right. But you know what though? Again, as I tell you guys, no need to be a genius and try to be so smart. It looks difficult, so why make the trade? That's my whole thing. So that's that. Now, you guys, let's talk about some of the stocks from my stock trading trend. Gee, I can't even talk. My stock trading friends out there. Look, this is actually one of my biggest winners. I've been saying for the last couple of weeks, buy that AMC, buy that GameStop, and you saw what happened. The GameStop exploded. You know, PK doesn't have a stock account, so I didn't participate in this thing. And, of course, I'm not too happy about it. But look, it looks higher, and my call is we're going higher. Especially like the GameStop. This is just really, you could really get going here. We know that Wall Street bets, that group, those guys are all crazy. They got 10 million people, and they put the word out, and boom, you saw what happened. The thing exploded. Same with AMC. So PK got those two right. Let's talk about the Amazon. Last week I said Amazon would go lower, and what happened? You know what? It went higher. I got that one wrong. Yeah, PK got that one wrong. Another loser. But I'm going to stay with this call. I think Amazon's going lower. I think it's a sell. This is the only thing that's really clear to me. This week was, I think it was the first week I lost on this trade. But Amazon's going lower. That's the bottom line. Let's talk about the Tesla. Last week I said higher, and you know what? PK, it went higher. So this one I got right. And my call is, again, I'm sticking my neck out. I think the Tesla's going higher. This thing with Elon Musk, his girlfriend, guys, I mentioned that thing with the girlfriend. She, I think she's got some influence on that Ellen, I'm not convinced Ellen really wants to move to Mars full time, but look, we know the girlfriend, she's crazy, and she's got a lot of input on him, and maybe this is the reason it's gonna continue to go up. So that's it. Tesla's still going up. That's my call. Now let's talk about the British pound. As I said, I started covering the British pound and the crude last week, so we'll talk about it. I called the British pound lower, meaning the dollar was going to get stronger. And you know what? PK got that wrong. I mean, what a horrible week I had. That went higher. I mean, the dollar got weaker. And again, I still feel that the British pound is going lower, meaning the dollar is going to get stronger. So no change there. I'm staying with that call. Let's talk about the crude. Oh my God, PK, I really got this. Talk about a screw up. It just goes to show you, we're all making educated guesses, even me, 35 years. You see, we all call them 40 to 60% right. And this week, you see, it didn't call them too good. The crude, I said last week, would go lower, and that crude went higher. I still think crude's in a downtrend, so again, I'm going to stay with that call. It's a sell up here. The crude's going lower. All right, so let me see here. So anyway, those are the calls. So look, let me get my notes here. How did PK do? What was the final result for the week? Well, I got 4 winners. I got the GameStop, I got the AMC higher, those both things. I got the Bitcoin higher, and called the Tesla. So 4 winners in the win column. And in the lose column, got the gold and silver wrong, the metals wrong, got the crude wrong. I said they go down, they went up. The British pound, that went up, got that wrong. The stock market, the SNQ, and I got the Amazon wrong. So I'm going to say 3, 5. I called 4 right and 6 wrong. So again, I hit the bottom of the scale. I was only right 40% of the time. And like I keep telling you guys, we go in streaks in the trading. Like last week, the last 2 weeks, I had a pretty hot hand. But as you see, things can change temporarily, whatever. The reason, doesn't matter. But we all kind of fall in between this 40 to 60%. There really is no magic indicator, no signals. I see all these crazy ads all over the place about accuracy and your newsletters and pick these points. And this is this is the way to do it. I'm telling you, there's nothing to do with that. That's to do with trade management skills. You guys know I've done a million videos about that. So anyway, look, PK tried to play the guitar. Not too well, by the way, but look, I did try. And what can we say? It's great playing music. I have music in my heart and soul. I have a lot of my introductions. Of course, I come from the 70s generation. I'm 62. But look, for all of you musicians out there, it's a good thing for the trading. It really does. It really calms your nerves. I wish I picked up my guitar more. It's in the back of my office here, sitting in the corner, just staring at me, and I don't do anything about it. And it's kind of sad because I used to play. I was a really big player, in my youth. So anyway, so listen, you guys. This is PK here with Out of the Box, and our name of the show was. Boy, that's a horrible chord progression. That doesn't work, you guys. Forget it. Listen, I'll just end the show. It didn't work. Went for it. That's our market update, educated guessing show for this week. I wish everyone a great week. Let's see what happens next week. Look, the trading, we all love the trading. Right, wrong, let's all make some money. This is the bottom line. It's PK with Out of the Box. Ciao, everybody.